Euroboor's ECO.40 magnetic drilling machine. Specially designed for twist drilling. Powerful motor of 1050 watts. Featuring a mechanically adjustable 2-speed gearbox. Low maintenance and minimal wear correction. Annular cutting up to 40 millimeter diameter. Twist drilling up to 13 millimeter diameter. High precision height adjustment. Internal lubrication turns drilling into smooth and easy operation. Clear and easy controls. You won't miss the right button. Excellent ergonomics. Extremely easy to handle. ECO.40 magnetic drilling machine.